Here, you can soak it overnight if you want. If you got like a big jar container, I'm gonna tip in clean distilled water. Make sure your water is boiled and cold. Okay, I'm gonna put the water in there 1 hour before he goes to bed. You will be the one every night calling, come on my missus, come on baby, come on. So I'm gonna slice my fresh, don't use lemon juice, don't use bottled lemon, please, I beg you. Use the fresh lemon. Get fresh lemon from the supermarket. Okay, yeah, then I'm gonna leave that there. You can make a very large quantity and put in the fridge, so that, you know, most men, they like children. You, the woman, as well, you can also take it as well. It does a lot of things. It helps high blood pressure. It contains a lot of nutrients and antioxidant. So I'm gonna put in my lemon juice in there. Yeah, make sure you don't swallow the seed of the lemon juice. Okay, use fresh lemon. Don't buy bottled lemon, please, I beg you. If you want to get a good result in the home, is when the joystick of the man is not performing, doing his proper duty, you know. But ladies, bear with your man. If his joystick is not performing, that's not gonna be a big issue. Two of you need to discuss about it, you know, get solution to treat it and make yourself happy again. Okay, so I've mixed it now. All you just do is put your stick in there. Come on, honey, come on, have it. See you in my next video. Take care, and I love you, and thank you for watching. Guys, that is the okra in distilled water and fresh lemon juice to boost the man joystick. The man will not go 30